Hey guys, and welcome back to StepDice. We're going to be unboxing the AirPods Pro and all the accessories. I'm very excited, so let's just get into it. Okay, so we'll start with the boring stuff. So I've got an Anker wireless charger. This is a very thin pad for 18 watts, and that will just charge the AirPods wherever that is. So now we're going to get onto the main AirPods. I'm very excited about this. First of all, we're going to take off the wrap. I'll do this quietly so you can hear the ASMR. Wow. You know, that's pretty epic. So let's get into the box. Lifts up with a nice noise. And we're greeted with designed by Apple in California. Let's take that off. We'll look through the paperwork later. So here we have the AirPod Pros themselves. We'll take them out. So we'll just take off this plastic wrap as well. Lovely. You know, I guess that's high quality plastic. And now for the all important case snap. Oh wow. That is quite different to your normal AirPods. Let me go and grab them. So here's the size difference. Here's the click of this one. And here's the click of the new ones. You know, first of all, I gotta try them on. Jeez, these feel so different to the old ones. I'll tell you the specs. So these have fast charging, wireless charging, noise cancellation, all that good stuff. So there you go, that's what it looks like in the case. Right, so let's get to the wireless charger. So here is the wireless charger. It's an Anker one, and just put the AirPods on it. There you go, they're charging, as they should. Right, let's connect them to the phone and see what they do. So here's the phone. We'll just open up the AirPods. Right, I can't even use them. That's pretty epic. Okay, so I've got a software update on my iPad. Bit bigger screen. So first of all, we're going to open them. There you go, there's your pop-up. So we're going to connect. So media control, epic. Noise control. Apparently you can do that. I love these animations, these are awesome. Oh, and off it goes. Okay, so at the moment I'm on noise cancellation. So what I'm going to do now, since I'm on noise cancellation, is I'm going to tell my amps and echoes to play some music, and we're going to see if I can hear it. What's a copyright free song? Play Happy by Pharrell Williams. Okay, so at the moment noise cancellation's off. I can hear it. Let's turn noise cancellation on. That's weird. So I can hear it very faintly, but it really dims it. I can almost not hear it. And what's better about this noise cancellation is if you're on the tube or something, then it completely gets rid of it because it's white noise. There's constant music, so shut up. Noise cancellation mode, then if I press and hold again, transparency mode, and then off is just normal, and you can obviously feel the seal. So this is the next thing we're going to do. We're going to do the ear tip fit test, but having some jamming tunes playing here. Oh, good seal. Oh, there you go, snap. There you go. That's what the speaker looks like. It's so much bigger than the normal speaker. Let me just compare. That's what you're looking at in the old one. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. If you enjoyed this and our previous unboxings, hit that like button. Also comment down below what you'd like to see more of, if you'd like to see a review of these. Also subscribe to the channel because we are so close to 350. It's almost within reaching distance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.